If you want to set up driving mode on Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 8, you can go to Settings. Then over here in Settings, we want to proceed to Modes and Routines, and then you should be able to find the driving option. So let's select it. Over here, you can choose Minimize Distractions to activate the Not Disturb mode, and the driving mode is going to be automatically enabled once the phone detects that you are indeed driving. You can also choose the custom option if you want to personalize it a little bit. In my case, I'm just going to choose Minimize Distractions and tap on Get Started. And there we go. Now the driving mode is going to be automatically enabled whenever driving is detected, but you can tap on Turn On Automatically in order to, for example, activate the driving mode if you connect to Android Auto or to a specific Bluetooth device, like, for example, your car. And tap on Done if you are done with these changes, of course. And besides that, you can manually enable and disable the driving mode as well, just by simply tapping on this button here. You can also use the quick settings panel to find the modes button here. So if you tap on it, you can find the driving mode, which we can enable and disable, just like that. And in case you have this car icon right next to the modes button or on the modes button, then you can tap on that icon to just immediately activate or deactivate the driving mode. Leave a like and subscribe.